Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Land Cruiser 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox review. The special harness and the canvas box. Okay, you can check this head unit. Okay, let me show the harness set first. This special harness and canvas box you can check. Okay, and this connect to our back head unit, and this radio antenna. Okay, and this power and speaker. Can check this speaker power and the speaker, and this camera. This one of camera input. This camera input and connector. You can check. This is steering wheel controls and power. You can check. Okay. And steering wheel controls also decoded by canvas box. This is AMP blue wire, blue and white AMP wire. This is K1 and K2 GND for steering wheel controls. Okay. It comes with GPS antenna. Okay, and original USB, and this camera input you can check. And there are two USB cable and external microphone. For this connect to our back of head unit. Okay, this audio cable, AUX input left and right, and this video input RC type. And video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer. This is AUX left and right, front and rear. AUX output. Okay. Let me check the back of head unit. This GPS and this power fuse this connector, USB, audio, and other cables. This is radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Okay, you can check the front. This knob. Let me connect power. Connect back header unit. Okay, you can check the front header unit. Okay. This volume control. This knob, radio knob, you can check the radio. Click search the radio stations. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. This reset hole, this built-in microphone, and this power and volume, this home back, and this SD card slot, this mode, this band. Okay. Let me check the settings. This PX5 Android 10 system. And built-in Wi-Fi, support 4G LTE by USB modem. We check the car settings. You can choose the red button color. You can change any color. You can adjust this panel. Drum settings. Turn on the watch video. This is real settings. Okay. And you can check its built-in Bluetooth and this control settings. DSP amplifier. Okay. And built-in speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Built-in speed play. If speed play 8 for Android Auto and CarPlay, you can download the application from Play Store. Built-in YouTube voice search. Okay, that's all. Thank you.